students, I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, surface area and volumes. In this chapter, we will study figures that are not plane figures. The simplest of them being cubes and cuboids. These do not lie wholly in a plane. They are called solid figures or three-dimensional figures. We shall learn to find the surface area and volume of these figures. Cube and cuboid. Now look at the following objects. These objects are physical examples of a geometric figure called a cuboid. Figure given below represents a cuboid. This is the cuboid. As evident from the figure, a cuboid is made up of 6 rectangular regions of faces. It has 3 pair of congruent opposite faces. It has 8 corners, okay, called vertices. The length, breadth and height of cuboid are usually denoted by the letters L, B and H. A cuboid has length, breadth and height and are equal is called a cube. In common usage, the word cuboid is used for both a hollow cuboid and a solid cuboid. Similarly, the word cube is used for both the hollow cube and the solid cube. In the above figure, we note that a cuboid has 6 rectangular faces, top and bottom, A, B, G, H and D, E, Fs. Front and back are given here and sides are these. And 12 edges of the cuboid are AD, AH, HE, DE, EF, FC, DC, HG, BG, AB, BC and GF. And number 3, 8 vertices of the cuboid are, these are the 8 vertices, okay. Examples of hollow cuboids are empty matchbox, empty rectangular tank. And examples of solid cuboids are brick, tile, filled rectangular water tank. Next, cube. A cuboid whose length, breadth and height are equal is called a cube. A dice, ice cubes, sugar cubes, etc. are examples of a cube. In the case of a cube, all the 6 faces are square, all the 12 edges are equal, it too has 8 vertices, okay. Exercise 26.1, name any 3 objects from your environment that have the shape of a cuboid cube, okay. Students, you will do it yourself, okay. You can name any object. Surface area. We know that the surface of a cuboid consists of 6 rectangular faces. The total surface area of the cuboid is the sum of the areas of these 6 rectangular faces. Let the length, breadth and height of the cuboid be L, B and H respectively. Then area of the base and top faces, L into B plus length into B, okay, that is 2LB. Now area of the 2 sides, B into H plus B into H, that is 2BH, and area of the front and the back faces, H into L and plus H into L, that is 2HL. Now total surface area is what? We will add all these 3 areas, okay. And here is 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL, and 2 is common, so we will take 2 outside the bracket. Then we'll get 2 length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, centimeter square. Clearly the total surface area is this, okay, and total surface area is equals to perimeter of the base into height. So in the case of a cube, L is equals to B is equals to H. So total surface area of a cube is 2L square plus L square plus L square, or 3L square or 6L square units. And lateral surface area of a cube is 2L plus L into L, that is 4L square units, okay. Example 1. Find the surface area of a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are respectively 12, 10 and 8. So a surface area of cuboid is what? 2 length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, okay. So length is 12, breadth is 10 plus 10 and height is 8 plus 8, length is 12, okay. 12 into 10 is 120 plus 80 plus 12 into 8 is 96 centimeter square, okay. Now after adding, what will you get? 2 into 6, 9 plus 8, 17 plus 2, 19, 1 carry 2, 296 centimeter square, okay. And now multiply, 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19, 2 2s are 592 centimeter square. So this is the answer, okay. Let's do exercise 26.2. Give 2 examples from your surroundings where finding of surface area may be required, okay. So you can give any 2 examples, okay, from your surroundings, right. Volume of a cuboid and cube. Volume, the measure of the cuboidal region or the space occupied by a solid body is called its volume. Standard unit of volume. The space region formed by a cube of side 1 centimeter is called 1 cubic centimeter and is written like this, 1 centimeter cube. It is considered as a standard unit of volume. If a region contains x such cubes, we say its volume is x centimeter cube. Okay. Now consider this figure. Its volume is 3 centimeter cube. 1, 2, 3, 4. Its volume is 4 centimeter cube. Okay. And now its volume is 8 centimeter cube because this contains 1 centimeter cube, so its volume is 8 centimeter cube. Okay. Now formula to find the volume of a cuboid. We shall consider the following experiment. We take 5 plastic or wooden cubes of the same size, each of 1 centimeter cube. Put them end to end as shown in the figure like this. Here the length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 1 centimeter and height is 1 centimeter. So its volume is 5 into 1 into 1, that is 5 centimeter cube. That is length into breadth into height. Okay. Again take another 24 such cubes and arrange them over and near these cubes such that there are 3 rows and 2 layers as shown in this figure. Okay. Now what will you do? Again we have a cuboid. Its volume is 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter is equals to 24 centimeter cube. We can repeat this experiment by taking more such cubes and can form cuboids of different dimensions. In all cases, we will find that the volume of cuboid of length L centimeter, breadth B centimeter and height H centimeter is L into B into H centimeter cube. Hence, we conclude that for a cuboid volume is this. Note, for calculating volume, length, breadth and height of the cuboid must be expressed in the same unit. Okay. The useful formula, volume you know, length into breadth into height. If you have to find the length, volume upon breadth into height. If you have to find the breadth, volume upon length into height. If you have to find height, volume upon length into breadth. Okay. Now, volume of a cube. Cube is a special case of a cuboid having the same length, breadth and height. So, volume of cube is side into side into side, that is L into L into L is equals to L cube. Other units of volume. The larger unit of volume is cubic meter. The solid region formed by a cube of side 1 meter is called 1 meter cube and written as 1 meter cube. The unit of measuring the volume of liquids, oil, etc. is liter. Now, conversion of units of length are here given and units of volume are given here. Okay. Remember, volume of a liquid substance is often called its capacity. Okay. Example is, find the volume of a block of wood whose length, breadth and height are given. Okay. So, we will apply this formula, volume is equals to length into breadth and then we will multiply all these 3, that is length, breadth and height. Then we will get the volume 1728 centimeter cube. Okay. And don't forget to write the unit in cubic centimeter or cubic meter. Okay. Exercise 26.3. We have to find the volume of cuboid whose length, breadth and height are given. Okay, so you know volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Length is 14 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter and height is 10. Okay, so 14 into 120. Your answer will be in centimeter cube. 14 2s are 28, 2 14 1s are 14 plus 2 16. 1680 centimeter cube. This is the answer. Okay. Now, things to remember. A cuboid is a figure in space formed by 3 pairs of opposite composite rectangular faces such that whenever 2 faces meet, they meet in a line segment. 2. A cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. 3. The part of the space enclosed by a cuboid is called its interior. 4. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid are called its dimensions. 5. A cuboid whose length, breadth and height are equal is called a cube. 6. The space or region occupied by a body is called its volume. 7. A cubic centimeter is the volume of the region formed by a cube of side 1 centimeter and it is the basic unit of volume. 8. With its usual meaning for B, L, B and H, we have these formulas. Okay. Do memorize all these formulas and also standard units of volume. Okay. So, do memorize all these. And now you will do practice of the remaining questions.